Welcome to the MS Word Efficiency Engine, a project-based guide to real-world business documents. I'm your instructor, and I've spent over a decade working with professionals and teams to streamline their workflow using Microsoft Office in real business environments. This isn't just another software tutorial. This is a hands-on, project-driven course designed to transform how you use Microsoft Word to solve actual business problems. Whether you're drafting a proposal or presenting a strategy, you'll learn the exact skills that employers value most. Every lesson is built around real-world documents and tasks, like formatting a client report or building a persuasive presentation. You won't just learn what the tools do, you'll learn when and why to use them to save time, reduce errors, and communicate with clarity and impact. My approach is based on proven methods used in corporate training and productivity consulting. You can trust that each technique has been tested in real offices, not just in theory. By the end of this course, you won't just know MS Office, you'll know how to use it to drive results, enhance your professionalism, and become the go-to person for getting things done. Ready to build skills that matter? Let's get started.